I'm Ken, and I welcome you to the Upton House. The Upton House served as the national headquarters for the women's suffrage movement, and a lot of distinguished people have been here, and I can count you in as one now. This is the home of Harriet Taylor Upton, and she worked very hard on the movement, which was called the women's suffrage movement, and she worked very closely with Susan B. Anthony. We have had thousands of people tour this house. Among them would be close to 1,000, at least well over 1,000 school children. And much earlier, even before my time, 5 presidents have been here. Barbara Bush has been here, Susan B. Anthony, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and I'm sure there were other dignitaries. The movement was here for the women's suffrage movement, and the headquarters were located in the room right behind me, and that was Harriet's office. I want people to feel the history that's here, and we try to tell them that and get that point across. We also are thrilled with our story and our progress of saving this magnificent home. She lost the house during the Depression. It was sold at a sheriff's sale. All of her belongings were taken out to the front porch and auctioned off, and she moved to California, Pasadena, to live with a cousin, and she passed away in 1945. In 2011, we brought Harriet's ashes back from Pasadena, California, and her remains are buried in her beloved garden in the back. We are not a museum. You can come in the front door and you can walk on the carpet. You can sit on the furniture. You can rent the home for showers, weddings, and so forth. And your guests come in and use this as your home. People come in here, and of course they tour the house before they rent the house, and they can't believe that this is in Warren. It's like a hidden jewel in Warren. And when we say you can come in and just make yourself at home, they're thrilled.